Most websites look really nice, beautiful, amazing, stunning, or so they say. But not every website is a sales generating machine for your business, meaning that 24/7, even while your business is closed, it is generating leads, sales, and profits for your business. Today I'm going to cover 3 quick things that your website needs to have for it to be a sales generating machine for your business. As a matter of fact, number 3 on this list of 3 things is going to be one of those things that we realize that most businesses don't do. Let us get started. And the first thing that your website needs for it to become a sales generating machine for your business is that you need what's called social proof. Now, here's the thing about social proof. Social proof is the psychological phenomenon where when we see someone doing something, we also have to do it as well. And how this works with your website is that when someone comes to your website and they're interested in doing business with you, normally what you're going to have happen is that they go through a thought process of wondering if you're a real business, if you can do what you say you can do, and most importantly, if you can help them. Now, the best way to allay all these fears and to answer all these questions is by social proof because, well, if someone is giving testimonials and reviews about how great your business is and how you've helped them and the situation that they were in before you met them and how things have changed after meeting you, then that's proving that you are who you say you are. Social proof. Not going to go into much details. We've covered that in a video before. You can check out that video here, or you can get more on our social media accounts. The second thing that you need on your website for it to become a sales generating machine for your business is you need what's called a lead magnet. And not only just a lead magnet, you need an actual clear lead magnet that's effective and communicates value with your ideal client. The reason why lead magnets are important is because whenever someone comes to your website, 95% of the time, sometimes even 99% of the time, they're going to leave and never return. And that's losing out on a lot of potential business. They don't leave and not return because they aren't a good fit or because they wouldn't actually do business with you. They just aren't in the frame of mind to do business right now. And that is something that you need to understand and prepare for. What a lead magnet does is that it's a free piece of information or media or asset or tool or access to your software, something that you give to your ideal client or customer for free. That is basically going to say to them that, all right, here we are. This is what we can do for you to help you solve your problem. And you're going to give it to them for free, something that they would pay for. You see this with free trials. You see this with a free consultation. You see it with a free checklist of some sort, some guide, anything of value that would help your ideal client or customer solve their problem makes an excellent lead magnet. And that is especially true if they would pay for it. The way this lead magnet works is that it's going to speak to more of those people that would leave and never return. A small percentage even can mean a lot, and they're going to become leads in your business. Leads in your business mean that they give you their email and their contact number, perhaps some more information, and you can continue building a relationship with them because now you have a direct line of communication with them that helps you to build a relationship, which is where all sales take place. Now, if you want to learn more about lead magnets, the best lead magnets to use in your business and how to use lead magnets to generate revenues, because it doesn't just stop there, there is a video link right here, and there are videos on our social media accounts that you can take a look at. Now, the third thing that most businesses don't have on their website, and this is where we see most businesses make this mistake, that prevents their website from becoming a sales generating machine for their business, is that the website looks good, but it's not a sales machine. And sometimes it doesn't look good, to be honest. And the way this works is that looking good and working for sales are two very different things, right? And what we realize happen a lot of times is that you might have a website that to your eyes, it's beautiful. Maybe you made it yourself, maybe a friend or family made it, or maybe you spent a lot of money for it. But the idea is that you need to ask yourself the question, how much money is my website making for me each month? And if you don't know the answer to that, well, probably not enough. What we suggest that you do is you design conversion optimized websites that are actually leading your website visitor from one step to the next in your sales funnel. And what that's going to look like is that they come to your website for the first time, no idea who you are, but they want your service. The social proof is going to build a relationship with them by saying to them that this is who we are, this is who we've helped, that is like you, this is the result that they've got, and we can do it for you. And the way social proof is so powerful here is because you're not even going to be the one saying it. is going to be people that you've helped. And then with a lead magnet, you can convert them to an email lead, and you can use email marketing or some other form of direct marketing channel to build a relationship with them so that when they are ready to become a customer or a client, you're the person that comes to mind. Your business is what we call top of mind. And those are the three things that you need on your website to make it a sales generating machine for your business. Now, I know that this sounds a lot, it sounds complicated. Don't worry, we have something for you. On our website, kits.zelhan.com, we have sales ready and conversion ready website templates and marketing kits that you can purchase and have a fully optimized conversion ready website and online business in 30 minutes. And it is beautiful because we've specifically made these kits for small business owners like yourself. They come with conversion rate optimization. They also come with email marketing. They come with a lead magnet. They come with social proof integrated. And you can just edit those social proof to add your own and everything that your website needs for it to become a sales generating machine for your business. Go to kits.zelhan.com, check out the link below to access these Zelhan business kits. And you can also have our team do them for you. So thank you guys. Now here's what I want you guys to do. Check out kits.zelhan.com and also check out the video right here to learn more about using your website to generate sales while you sleep. Thank you guys.